Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for April 3rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair surged to the downside and broke through previous support. Closed higher though for this session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 83.82, possibly as low as 81.26. Look for some resistance around 83.35 and look for some support around 81.85. Now the Euro-USD pair, it surged to the downside, broke through previous areas of support. We are looking for it to potentially on a reversal go up to 134.30, possibly as low as 130.86. Look for some resistance around 133.15 and look for some support around 131.89. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 161.06. Possibly as low as 157.71. Look for some resistance around 160.50 and look for some support around 158.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up during this last session. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9203, possibly as low as 0.8954. Look for some resistance around 0.9150 and look for some support around 0.8995. Now, as far as news analysis go tomorrow, we have the Eurozone releasing their retail sales for February at 5 a.m. Eastern. On that one, consensus is that it has dropped from a 0.0% down to a negative 1.1%, which would be negative news for the euro. Then at 7:45 a.m. Eastern, we have the European Central Bank releasing their rate decision. Consensus is they're going to hold rates at 1%. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if we zoom out on the pound US dollar pair, you can see that we have a fairly strong move to the upside from a trend line perspective. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's hit there. Then we have another one that's even steeper. That's pretty much, don't like drawing it all within one time period, but you can see that it's come close basically to hitting it several times. If we move this right here, you can see that we have one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we've broken it yesterday, opened and moving lower from today. So look for a break below this previous session's low, and at that point look for it to come on down to this next trend line, basically selling at the 158.87 mark and looking for it to come on down right to here. Which would roughly be the 157.65 mark. Now you are going through some 0-0 levels there, so be aware of that. Place your stop loss right above this trend line to the upside as it moves lower. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.